to everyone! Today in this video I'm gonna show you best restaurants here in Tbilisi, and at the moment we are at one of the best design hotel in the city named Stampa, and the restaurant at the first floor has the same name. So what we have today? The national Georgian meal named khachapuri with 4 different kinds of cheese and tomato salad with cheese. It's super fresh, I'm sure will be delicious, and we are waiting for the main course. And for the main course we have roasted chicken with potato and Georgian sprout. Let's enjoy! And this is a total bill. We pay 127 lari without service fee. And at the restaurant they have different kind of areas. This is areas of sweets. You can see this, wow, looking great. Cakes and everything. Wow, I'm sure very tasty. And this is the Asian part of the restaurant. Many times in Georgian restaurants you can see very simple types of food, but if you want something special, something unique, the restaurant which is behind me, we highly recommend you. The name is Barbarestan, and here they cook a Georgian kitchen with a recipe from 19th century.
This is a cookbook found on the flea market 7 years ago. Basically foundation of the restaurant, which is written by first culinary woman in Georgia, Barbarestan, who published first cookbook in 1874. This is a third edition of the original cookbook, which is published in 1914 by her daughter Manana Georgian, who took on the legacy of Barbara and published this unique book. And here we have 807 Georgian authentic recipes, but not only the recipes, but the ways of the kitchen. Beginning, we have the tools of the kitchen. Afterwards, we move to the cutting down the beef, every name of the beef, every part of the meat, and every tiny detail about the kitchen and even serving people. And then here we have the recipes, where we use these recipes to create our menu. And our menu will change regarding the seasons for 2 reasons. Firstly, we want to have Georgian natural products, and we want to experience all the recipes from here. And for 7 years, we allow more than 300 recipes, and we are trying our best to allow all 870 recipes. And today, I hope a new and interesting experience.
The level of prices is more like European, but still, believe me, it's reasonable.
And I would recommend from the warm side is a tambal khacho. Tambal khacho is a fermented cottage cheese with white wine and a tarragon inside, which comes with sweet gels of the red wine, combined perfectly with old and oak cheese flavors. And I think it would be a great experience because the tambal khacho is one of the unique treasures conferred by UNESCO. And I would recommend the salmon as well, which is steamed. It comes with smoked garlic cream, with black vermicelli, with Inkov's cream on the side with the coriander cream as well, which is seafood flavor and the Georgian tastes together. And I would recommend as a last main course a cauliflower. It's a smoked cauliflower with cold sauce of basil with mint, lime and lime seed as well. Thank you very much. Here we have your fresh cucumber tomato salad with tomato sauce underneath with Georgian spice and Swantia salt. We have unskilled tomato, fresh half marinated cucumber, fresh Georgian seasonal herbs with matsoni balls on the sides. Give me a pleasure to share it for you. So here we have your fresh Georgian seasonal herbs with kakatian oil and green ajik. So here we have your soup tutmaji with homemade pasta with the garlic and onions. It comes with herbal oil, matsoni balls underneath, on the top with the coriander cream, the beer chips, and I'm pouring the chicken breast inside. So here we have the roasted pig, the tender meat, which is baked for 12 hours. On the top it has the crispy skin, on the side we have the orange or plum sauce, on the top with the marinated beetroot with crunchy rice on the top, and I have the demi-glace, which I'm gonna serve later.
Here is our total bill, and even it's a high-class restaurant, the price is reasonable. And small kind of romantic place here in Tbilisi is a restaurant with a lovely terrace and rooftop bar named Republic, located just in front of the Radisson Blu Hotel, and also famous sculpture of bicycle. So prices are still very affordable, even it's a pretty high level of food. So for example, for such kind of meal, this is filet mignon with potato, you pay around 22 euro, and here is a tomato salad with sauce of mascarpone and wasabi. Also amazing that they have live music, as you can hear, and also today we have Thursday and it's totally full, we hardly could find a table. So please book the table in advance. And if you want to find a different kind of kitchen in one place, you can come to the Wine Factory #1 and enjoy the atmosphere here. Different kind of restaurants, small bars, cafes, especially lovely here to be in the evening because lots of people are coming, tourists, local people. So let's check by ourselves. And here we go, another cool place where you can eat like a local, the Georgian cuisine, the restaurant named Veriko. It's located in the Wine Factory #1. So let's enjoy the food together. And behind me you can see the restaurant named Funicular, and the food of course is very delicious here, but it's not about that. It's about the amazing view, exciting, especially in the evening when the sun goes down. You'll be very romantic with your date. And here is the menu of the restaurant Funicular. You can see the prices are slightly more expensive than at the city itself. It's a good restaurant, but they say the food is very delicious, so let's taste it. And here is our order, beef cheeks. And here we have chicken with some special honey sauce. And we ordered also hachapuri. It's not a simple one, it has 4 different kind of cheese inside. And the smell was so delicious that we started to eat it already, and it's really delicious. Highly recommend.